Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial accessory for anyone flying the F194 foldable drone, the VERBANA drone battery kit. This isn't just any spare part. It's specifically designed for the F194, offering a 7.4V 2500 mAh LiPo battery. For drone enthusiasts, having an extra battery is almost non-negotiable. It means doubling or even tripling your flight time, allowing you to capture more footage, explore further, or simply enjoy the flying experience without the constant worry of the battery dying. The product description highlights a few key aspects that are really important for a drone battery. First off, it's described as easy to install. This is vital. When you're out flying and a battery runs low, you don't want to mess around with complicated procedures. A spare battery should ideally just click into place, allowing for a quick swap and getting you back in the air in moments. The fact that this is marketed as easy to install suggests it fits the F194 perfectly and requires no special tools or technical know-how beyond the standard battery replacement process for that drone. Next, the description mentions it's sturdy and durable. A drone battery takes a bit of a beating. It's handled frequently, inserted and removed, and needs to withstand the vibrations and occasional bumps that come with drone operation. Knowing that the battery is built to be sturdy gives confidence that it won't easily break or fail after just a few uses. Durability also implies the casing and connectors are robust enough for repeated use. Perhaps most importantly, it's stated that one replacement can be used for a long time. This could refer to the battery's lifespan over many charge cycles or the duration of a single flight compared to a worn-out original battery. A 2500 mAh capacity on a 7.4V LiPo is a decent size for a foldable drone like the F194, suggesting it should provide a respectable flight duration, comparable to or potentially better than the original battery when new. The promise of it lasting a long time implies good quality cells that hold their charge and maintain capacity over many recharges. Another point mentioned is the seller's commitment. They state they are responsible for all products and are confident in their quality. They also offer support if you have questions, promising to definitely give a solution or answer. This kind of backing from the seller adds a layer of reassurance when purchasing a spare part online. Knowing that there's support available if you encounter any issues with the battery is a definite plus. Overall, the VERBANA 7.4V 2500 mAh LiPo battery kit for the F194 drone appears to be a solid option for anyone needing a replacement or an extra battery. Its key selling points are the ease of installation, its sturdy and durable build, and the promise of long-lasting performance, all backed by the seller's stated commitment to quality and customer support. For F194 owners looking to extend their flight sessions or replace a tire battery, this kit seems like a practical and reliable choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.